What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Create Art with Jazz. My name is Jasmine, and my mission here is to create, inspire, and motivate. Hi, welcome to Create Art with Jazz. Hi, welcome to Create Art with Jazz. My name is Jasmine, and my mission here is to create, inspire, and motivate. Thank you so much for joining my creative community. Thank you for all of your letters of success. I love seeing you grow as an artist. My name is Jasmine, and I love sharing free content on my YouTube channel. My mission is to create, inspire, and motivate. If you're a creative person or a person who enjoys art, join me as a patron. As a patron, you will receive exclusive rewards. The number one question that I get is, do you teach? I teach private lessons, and often all the information goes into one person. As a patron, you can get instant access to artist tips and tricks, longer videos that uncover all the secrets behind what I do. As a YouTuber, I love giving away free content. I often spend hours and hours editing and filming, and often falling asleep right at my computer desk with no pay. As a patron, you'll be helping me to support myself as a full-time artist, creator, and educator. I remember when I was in 6th grade, and I was devastated when art was removed from our school system. And now, art has been removed from many school systems. As a patron, you will help students gain access to quality art instruction who normally wouldn't have access to that type of information.